AP ShipSoft, high specialized software solutions for charterers, brokers, owners, and shipping companies. Our products for your business: Shipcom, Charter Manager, Digimate, and Casa. With Shipcom, you are always in touch with the world of shipping. Shipcom is an add-in solution for Microsoft Outlook and Microsoft Exchange. Shipcom contains the modules: Contact Management, Email Workflow, Email Identifier, Mobile Synchronization, Revision-Proof Archiving, Contact Management. The Contact Management integrates itself into your Outlook. The integrated full-text search and several filter options provide an easy, fast, and directed search and administration of your contacts. Your company contacts with unlimited personal contacts, email addresses, telephone numbers, and user rights according to your departments inside your office. Shipcom provides an easy and quick way to set up your mailing lists. Unlimited. Sending an email and adding receivers is simply and fast. Write down your email text and open the Contact Management. Search and select one or more receivers, CC or BCC. To add a mailing list, just open it and select one or more lists as CC or BCC and then send the email. If you like, you can place a copy of your email directly in your depot. This provides a tidy and transparent communication workflow. Sending an email with delay is a matter of course. Email Workflow. Working in a team implies a transparent and light communication structure. Therefore, we develop a module to illustrate the communication processes. Shipcom shows who has read, forwarded, or replied an email. In this way, you always know that everybody in your team has got the information which is needed to be efficient in the daily business. Email Identifier. The email identifier spots a scalable, unique document ID and timestamp on each incoming and outgoing email. This simplifies retrieving, allocation, and linking of especially older documents. Mobile Synchronization. Shipcom provides the synchronization of your central company contacts and mailing lists with your mobile device. The synchronization of public calendars makes the daily business more efficient for everybody in your team and your success. Revision-proof archiving. Do you need email and document archiving? Shipcom is ready.